southeastern Gwinnett County.
I knew it.
In north
Gwinnett
central
County.
Georgia until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lawrenceville, moving southeast 18 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations:
I knew this would happen.
Lawrenceville,
It happens every Wednesday when I'm here.
Grayson, and Mountain Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Yeah,
Do
you're
not
not the
drive
flash
your
one.
vehicle through flooded roadways. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.